Good morning. Here's our news update for today. Did you know that the Dewey Decimal Classification System is a system that categorize non-fiction books into 10 major divisions? These classes are further divided into 10 subdivisions, and use decimal allows for additional categories. A book is assigned a Dewey number based on a subject matter. In most libraries, the Dewey number and the first three letters of an author's last name become a book call number. Non-fiction books are arranged numerically on the shelves according to DDC, ranging from 001 to 999. The Dewey Decimal Classification System is the most widely used classification system in the world. Libraries in more 135 countries use the DDC organize and provide access to their collections. The DDC has been translated into over 30 languages. Library of a Dewey, every type apply numbers. Some internet search engines use Dewey as browsing mechanism. And the 10 categories are the 00 Computer Science Information General Works, the 100 Philosophy and Psychology, the 200 Religion, the 300 Social Science, the 400 Languages, the 500 Science and Mathematics, the 600 Technology Applied Science, the 700 Arts and Recreation, the 800 Literature, the 900 History and Geography and Biography. And that was the Dewey Decimal System. And that's all. This is Lenjan Garcia reporting.